Noah.
And
that's me.
And today we are going to be doing another baking video, but this time we are going to be making coconut cake with coconut flour. So the first step is you're going to want to separate your 3 eggs. So you're going to want to separate them. So basically you're going to have your egg white and your egg yolk. But first you're going to put your egg whites in a bowl and you're going to whip them until they're nice and fluffy. So we're going to do that.
Let's mix it up. Wow! Joy, you're the best!
These are going to be so fluffy. Do you want to try it?
Yeah!
Do you want to try it, Josh? Yeah. Okay, ready? Just
Yeah, he will enjoy it.
hold it.
Thanks, Josh.
So getting fluffy, but we want to make it until it's super fluffy. So you press turbo. Like how it and then number 5 as well. So that it's really at the end. Oh. So that it goes faster and this is really well. So now we're going to show you our egg whites. They've gotten really fluffy.
It looks so good.
And now we are going to...
So let's put this
Not yet.
flour.
So
Sorry.
let's get on to the next step. You have to melt
the
your
butter.
butter, yes. And you then you add your egg yolks. So guys, now we've just added the melted butter and the egg yolks together, and now we're just gonna whip it for a little. Well, we're just gonna mix them together. And we use a bowl.
See what the number says.
So once you've done that, now you want to add half of this flour mixture and then whip it for a little bit, then you're going to add the other half. So I'm just going to mix this together.
What is this?
And then I'm going to mix it.
God.
And I'm going to add the other half. So we've just added the other half of the flour and now we're just going to mix it.
Joy looks so good.
It smells really good too. So now we're going to add this mixture to the egg white mixture. Yeah, the big So you don't have to butter it in. So you guys can do it too.
Thanks, Joy.
So I'll do 2, then you guys do 2.
Tell me do it. This one is not heavy at all.
Okay. And So now Josh.
Joshua, Kalitika. Logo. My skin was probably thick. I was probably too. I was probably higher. My skin was probably too. My skin was probably easy.
So now I'm just going to add the rest. So I'm going to scrape all the sides.
My skin was probably worse when I was jumping higher. I was probably worse when I was stuck inside. I was so excited when Mommy chose so loud. It hurt my ears, so I heard go down. Even my hair when it started to go down. Guys, you can have noise. Okay, Mommy, what's this? I'll just complain, but we can use it. What's it? First, we're just going to put it in the oven for 20 to 30 minutes.
And we're going to leave it in there at gas mark 3, 170 degrees Celsius. So guys, this is the finished result. If you want to, if you think this is quite small, then you can double the recipe. Please click on our other videos to watch more. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and bye.